Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how I make my honey sponge cake. So I am using 6-inch cake pans and I'll show you all my ingredients. So let's start it. To make my honey sponge cake, so I have 4 eggs, 1.5 cup of sugar, 2.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/4 cup of honey, and I have a vinegar. I would probably need 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So now I'm gonna start making my cake. I'm gonna put my eggs in a mixer. And I'm gonna put my sugar. And I'm gonna start mixing on low. Now I'm gonna increase my speed and mix for about like 5-7 minutes. So I whipped my eggs for about like 5 minutes and I'm gonna add my honey. And I'm gonna mix for about 1 more minute. Now my honey is incorporated with eggs and sugar, and I'm gonna add baking soda and vinegar. And I'm gonna quick add to my eggs to make sure that it's mixed with the vinegar. And I'm gonna mix just to incorporate. And now I'm gonna add my flour. To add my flour, I don't want to mix it in the mixer. I'm just gonna do it by hand. I sifted my flour first. And I'm gonna mix it. Like I am folding in my flour into the mixture. Gonna fold it in until it's all incorporated. And I'm gonna put in my baking pans. So now I'm done with my batter, and I'm gonna spray my baking pans. So this is how it looks like. So I'm spraying with a pan coating. So I'm gonna make sure it's coated everywhere evenly. And I'm gonna divide it by 3 6-inch baking pans. And my oven is preheated to 350. So I'm gonna put it in my oven and bake for about 30 minutes. So now all my cakes are baked. Just gonna put them on a rack so I have no problem to take them out of the baking pan. I ended up baking it for 35 minutes and I have a conventional oven.